day, everyone.
Good day, ma'am.
I am Miranova B. Rodrigo.
And I am Mona Lisa Y. Bacunador.
We are here to discuss and discover
The Nanoworld. First and foremost, what is Nanoworld? Nano is a prefix and comes from the Greek word for dwarf, nanos. Nanoworld is the global market leader for tips for scanning probe microscopy and atomic force microscopy. It enables its users in research and high-tech industry to investigate materials at the atomic scale. Just as the invention of light microscopes revolutionized human understanding of the natural world, modern microscopes that can reveal and alter individual atoms are once again exposing a whole new world, which is the nanoworld.
Absolutely right. In the discovery of Nanoworld, there were also nanotechnology has been made. Nanotechnology is the technology that let us look into the incredibly small nanoworld, enable scientists to prove years of scientific discovery, and create amazing nano devices.
And yes, because of this discovery, outbreak of questions of many people came out. One of that is, why is nanotechnology likened to creating a statue out of a pile dust? Nanotechnology prefers to create a statue out of a pile dust because it depends on nature, which uses chemistry to join small-sized molecules. Pile of dust is like pile of nanoparticles from which we can pull out those particles which we need.
Additionally, after this, by using chemistry, we can arrange many of these particles to make a statue. One example of that is as we can look around and observe that our nature has built everything this way, such as which is made with small particles called sand.
Second question, what science governs nanostructure? Why is it different? Can you answer that, partner?
Yes, of course, partner. It is nanostructure science which governs nanostructure. It now forms a common thread that runs through physical and material sciences and is emerging in industrial application as nanotechnology. So, partner, why is it different?
It is different because there is no book that can cope up with how difficult the subject matter is. The increasing of importance nanostructured material in our society today suggests that we need to further study in order to explain such specific phenomenon.
Next question. Why is nanotechnology a difficult science? Well, nanotechnology is a difficult kind of science because of its multidisciplinary field of research, and it stretches over fields like material science, mechanics, electronics, biology, and machine.
In addition, I think what makes it difficult is that it requires a fundamental shift in how you engineer things. It is not just very small, but it is for the reason very different. And the fourth question, what does nature show about building organisms from the bottom up?
To answer that, if historically speaking, nature builds from bottom up, or in other words, it evolves. Although there are some instances where nature builds from top to bottom, the overall outcome can be shown from the bottom up.
To add up, inspiration for bottom-up approaches comes from biological systems, where nature has harnessed chemical forces to create essentially all the structures needed by life.
Very well said, partner. And for our last question, how can chemistry help in nanotechnology?
Well, Nanotechnology holds great promise for developing revolutionary tools to help create more energy-efficient world.
Additionally, chemistry is actually really important for nanotechnology as it helps the miniaturize technology and need to figure out how to make the component linear single molecule tiny.
Overall discussion, we can learn more about the nano world and the nanotechnology.
Before we end, we will give a little reminder to remember.
If you think nano is small,
But learning about it will bigger your minds. That
that could be all, ma'am. Thank you.
Ano pa?